Today, just about every person on the planet gets emails, and I can't think of a company that doesn't use it as a marketing channel in some form. According to a 2017 email statistics report by the Radicati Group, 269 billion emails are being sent every day. Let's look at 5 of the most in-demand email types. Number 1. Lead generation follow-up. Many companies, especially in the business-to-business industry where companies are selling to other businesses instead of consumers like you and me, have a long sales cycle that starts with generating leads. A lead is a potential buyer who raised their hand to say I'm interested by filling out a form, downloading a white paper, signing up for a free trial of the software, etc. The lead knows the product exists and is already considering making a purchase. So the intention of these emails is to move the person forward with their buying decision, either by answering questions or encouraging them to talk to a sales rep who can close the deal. Number 2. Email funnels. Email funnels are similar to lead generation follow-up in that they are sent to someone who is a potential buyer, but they are usually a bit less aware of the product. With email funnels, someone signs up for a webinar, free report, or free training on a topic related to the product your client is selling. And because the person is interested in a particular topic, the company then tries to sell a product or service they feel is of interest. For example, maybe your client is selling a supplement to reduce inflammation. They may offer a free report on the 10 risks you face if you have too much inflammation in your body. The person who downloads the report isn't necessarily looking for a supplement at the time, but they are interested in the risk inflammation poses for them and are therefore a good potential buyer. There are usually 5-7 emails in the sequence, but can go much higher. You can get paid just to write the emails, or you can get paid $1,500, $2,000 to develop the email strategy, and then get paid again to write the emails. These emails are often automated, which means they run on their own. And once someone turns into a buyer thanks to your emails, they move on to the email list for our next set of in-demand emails. Number 3. Post-purchase onboarding sequences. These emails are all about customer experience. They've purchased a product, and now you want to help them receive the benefits from consuming it. Whether it's a workout program, a financial newsletter, training, or anything in between, you know the buyer won't benefit until they use it. So your job here is to keep them engaged and get them using the product. You might show them how to get started, point out exciting features, see what questions they have, anything that helps them move forward towards the solution they were looking for when they first made the purchase. Number 4. Content emails. Content writing is one of the most misunderstood opportunities in the writing industry. I hear writers say that they're not a sales writer. They write content. Yet the purpose of good content, the kind clients pay writers $300 to $500 to write, is to prepare the reader for the sale. Ultimately, every business is selling something. That's why they're in business. And if you as a content writer can help those sales happen, you'll make good money and be in high demand. Content emails, also known as advertorials, are similar to articles and blog posts you see on a website. The only difference is they have a sales intention. They may never even mention a product or service, but the entire piece of content is preparing the reader for the solution the product provides. And at the end, there will be a clear call to action to learn more by visiting a sales promo or other type of sales copy. This is a great opportunity for writers who get content, along with great fees. This one can be set up on retainer, where you agree to write a set amount of pieces each month, and your clients in return will pay you the same amount month after month. Number 5. Direct sales emails. This is where my direct response copywriter friends will want to live, mainly because it's where you can expect the highest pay, $750 to $1,250. Unlike the other emails, in this one, you are going to ask for the sale. And the closer you are to the sale, the more you can expect to make. If you've taken the time to learn about direct response copywriting and put those superpowers to use but don't have the interest, focus, time, or attention span to write a 20-page sales letter, this opportunity is for you. So, you can see there are loads of ways to make money writing emails. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.